And Tuffy eating with the girls?
Mm-hmm. Give him some more.
Oh, he's got enough for now. Yeah. Is that good stuff, Tuffers? I think he likes it. Oh, yeah.
He was talking to me.
He's talking. Oh, be careful. Elvis will get it.
Bobby, get it.
Yeah. Is that good, Tuffy? Tuffy, Tuffy.
I can have one. Here.
Just kind of push it over there. There you go. He'll get it. He said thank you.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hi, Bella.
How about me?
I guess he had enough for now. Yeah, I know that he left some, didn't he? Oh, that's okay. He'll come back for it when he's ready. When he thinks he wants more, he'll come back. Yeah? Pay attention to what you're doing. And then, of course, we got Elvis. Elvis. What are you doing, Elvis? What are you doing, Elvis? Hi, Candyman. Hi, Candyman. Hello, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yes? Candyman. Candyman.
He's me.
Is that a good piece of wood, Tuffy? Yeah? You need to eat.
Why?
Don't be standing in the chair. Okay? Go ahead and put your bowl back over. There you go. Yummy, yummy, Bella, Bella. Bella Rose. Bella Rose.
Hmm?
Bella.
Yes.
Huh? Bella. 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 Hi, baby. Huh. Hi, Bella.